How to eat a Reese's Sonic Blast with a mustache. Spoon. No! Nailed it!
Shouldn't smoke, bub. Outside. Yeah. One is full.
GoPro ain't got shit on me. It's time to fucking kill some wasps. Booyah. Get some.
Evil doors, beware!
They're fucking Batman's up in this shit. This meat right here, and we're gonna try and catch us a chupacabra. I got my camouflage hat on, and we're gonna do it up real good. Right here, Texas style. Got my knife, and cut into it like this. Wow. Wow, little fuck. Now we're gonna take a sniff. Come on, chupacabra. Chupacabras, they're real delicate on the scent of smell. So the last thing we got to do now is piss on it. Now we're gonna take the rifle and we're gonna wait for it right out the window.
Just got home from work, I'm tired, I'm expecting a package, so I'm gonna make a sign. Winning.
It's Rosa, kick it levitate.
Vine gives people the power to run through walls? Let's give it a try. I don't want to break my nose. Oh, bad idea.
I'm so hungry I want to go to breakfast, but I got this huge hickey on my forehead. I can't go out like this. But Batman can. Good morning.
How is Tasha?
Everything is safe.
Batman thirsty?
It's time to drink some beer.
You want a dose?
I want 5.
That makes me very happy.
Anyone else used to use a trucker hat to try and imitate RoboCop when they were a kid?
Dead or alive, you're coming with me. You have 20 seconds to comply.
I'm billionaire Bruce Wayne.
What's that?
Excuse me.
Gotham's calling me. I'd love to stick around, but I got to.
Your weight is 6.78 and your SA is 108.
What the fuck? Last few days I've been sharing my apartment with a wasp. We don't get along very well.